What's up, y'all? Shadow Flex in the building. We got Beat Critique Friday number 8. If you don't know what Beat Critique Friday is basically me critiquing your beats on a video. I basically tell you what you're doing right or what you're doing wrong. Also, what this is for is I'm basically giving exposure to the Caustic 3 community as well. I have people outside the Caustic 3 community that watch my channel, and my channel's on the up and coming. So if you definitely want some exposure, this is definitely the show you want to get on. If you want to submit your beats for Beat Critique Friday, go ahead and send them to this email. We got our first producer up. Looks like the song is called Guapo by JT. I like the whole song. What I don't like is this chord, this fourth chord that you have down here. I would bring the tone down. And honestly, hold level. Yeah, that sounds like it could be the problem too. So edit, crop this, or cut this out. Go about here. You want to fade out. Go here, fade out. And then you want to crop out this tip too. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of little stuff. Let's hear what it could have been. I might want to use that beat. Hit me up in the comments, JT from Texas. Hopefully you see this. The next one we got Castro Tiller. That is a sample. I like. Let's just hear it. Alright, this one, I like the concept of the beat, but a couple things. First off, your melody is with a sample. I don't bag everybody using a sample, but my thing is if you're going to use a sample, use it in your own unique way. Something that'll make it pop out. I don't really agree with the grabbing a sample, knowing the BPM, and just throwing it on and making a beat around that. To me, that is cheating. But if you're in the beginning of your times, you know, I don't bag that either. Like, if you're still learning how to do, you know, your kicks and your hi-hats and where your crashes are supposed to go, you know, by all means, do what you gotta do to learn, bro. But if you're not, if you've been doing this for at least a year or more, you should be learning or knowing at least how to build a melody by now. If you don't, you're taking a lot away from your own style that you could be having. And the second thing is, bro, I want to remind you that I noticed your song took a long time to start. If you don't start your song within the first 15 to 20 seconds, nowadays in 2020, you're going to lose the interest of your listener. Just saying. Keep that in mind. Alright, to the next one, Produced X'd. I noticed you got some vocals in here before I play it, so that way I don't get any copyright. I'm going to go ahead and mute that. Okay. I like it. Hey. Hey. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Yeah, see, this is something I could get down to also. I really like what you got going on here. I noticed you don't have no samples in here. I'm actually really impressed there's no samples. See, this is the type of work that I want to see you guys pulling. See, this is all progression. Seems like the only sample here was the vocal that he was trying to line up for his own beat. Genius. Produce X. You need to hit me up in my emails, bro. It's my email. Or actually, better yet, please try to hit me up on Instagram. This is my Instagram. Produced by X. I know that ain't a sample. I'm gonna let it slide. Hey. I like it. I like what you did with the sample at least. Amazing work. To be honest, I cannot say anything bad about it, except for the fact that I see you used a sample. Other than that, perfect. Hit me up in the email, bro. I want to collab on something. Sundays, I will be having a podcast, not starting this Sunday, but most likely next Sunday. I'm going to be interviewing Uncut, I'm going to be interviewing Money Weeze, and I'm going to be interviewing Chunk Savage, and a few other artists that I personally work with and have music with and are working with still to this day. That way you guys can all see what you can make out of yourselves using Caustic or really anything, as long as you keep it going. Also, every single Beat Critique Friday tutorials and podcast that I do, there will be a free sound. So if you're listening right now, go ahead and go in the description and get your free sound. If you guys haven't seen my video on how I make melodies, go ahead and check it out up here. And if you haven't seen my video on how I make a really sick beat with the stock Caustic 3 sounds, go ahead and check it out over here. Alright, you guys, see you in a couple days.